In this video, I will show you how to create an animated 4-frame run cycle. Hi there, Andrew here. Now that we're feeling more comfortable animating poses for our character, we can create a run cycle. Anytime we need an animation to loop seamlessly, we call it a cycle. My character's standing pose will simply not work for a run animation. We need the balance and weight to press forward to be believable. By hiding everything but the stick figures, I can play a simple 2-frame animation to check the readability of my poses. First, I create 2 new frames and start using a green pencil to draw simple stick figures. These are guides as to how my character needs to be posed and will help me check my animation before the time-consuming process of creating the whole figure. As soon as they look good, it's time to turn them into full poses. By pressing the C key, I can gain access to the crop tool. This will let me expand my canvas further to the right, where I can place my original character pose for reference while I work. I could always bring this up as another window, or I could have it on a second monitor, but here it's a little clearer where I'm pulling my colors from, and also helps you see that I'm matching the final poses to my original character standing pose. Select the head on the body layer with the lasso tool and copy it. Then paste a copy on both of the running poses. You're going to have to paste it straight onto the layer that they're part of. Since the head won't change shape while our character runs, it's a good place to start. With the green lines as my guide, I'll recreate the character in this new pose. I start by blocking in just the color. I want to make sure the silhouette works before moving on to detail. Do the same with the second pose. Position the back arm and the anchor, paying attention to where the back shoulder should be. When both poses are done, we can check the animation. But here a new problem appears. It's clear that only one leg is moving forward. We will need 2 more frames and 2 more poses to show that the back leg also steps forward. Create a duplicate of each running pose layer and 2 more timeline keyframes. Once we have the correct layer showing on each keyframe, all we have to do is change a few pixels to show the opposite leg is forward. Then position the front arm forward. Remember when we are walking or running, if a leg is back, the arm on the same side is forward, and vice versa. Reposition the back arm and anchor just like we did when we were posing it on the other 2 frames. This is how we're going to demonstrate our sense of balance. Polish up these poses and play back our result. Now we have a simple but convincing run animation. If we want to take this animation to the next level, you might want to animate the hair bobbing up and down, or add 1 more key in between each of the existing keys to bring the total number up to 8 frames. But even with just these 4, it's more than enough for a classic SNES style run cycle. In the last video, I will show you how to take all of these animations and place them on a single sprite sheet for easy importing into Unity.